Hey,
Hey, how are you?
Kamusta? Ang
I'm
ulan. Hindi naman na ba yung nadaanan nyo?
Hindi naman buti. Honestly, like, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya lalampasan. She was really present eh. Talagang medyo wasak ako nun. Right now, andun ako sa process na hindi ko ma-pinpoint ano ba talaga yung nawawala sa akin. Pero alam ko malaki. Sometimes like, it really hits you.
Mainit na usapin ngayon ng Soji Bill. What do you want them to know about it?
I'm seeing stuff like, napaka-entitled namin, di ba?
May mga
You see that,
ganun.
napaka-entitled. Nabibigyan na nga kayo ng karapatan. Sorry, anong karapatan yung sinasabi niyo? I have been building a life with my wife. Sana, kahit paano, hindi rin kami pigilan to exercise our rights to protect the family that we have built. Yun lang naman yun eh.